don't get it. I don't even why.
Do you guys understand this? If 23 acorns fall from an oak tree, how many pairs of shoes do I have?
Miss Ike, I don't get it.
Alright, well, you know what? We're going to my CRV.
Woo!
Yeah! This way.
You are now about to witness the strength of math knowledge.
Straight out of Calc class, with a teacher named IQ, being taught in the B216 room. Finished with chapters 1 and 2. Now let's jump, back with the review.
Before your mind scatter, know about scatter plots. That is plotted pairs and not just some random dots. Now take some points and find the slope. Raise your knowledge in college before you run and elope.
Listen with open ears, like open intervals, and you just might learn discontinuity rules. We don't want any holes in our knowledge domain. Expand your horizon to an unlimited range.
When someone says to study, I hope you hear him, or you'll be cramming harder than X in the middle of the sandwich theorem, and positive behavior when in the class of Ike, but it'll become a variable in the equation of half-life.
If a function doesn't pass both line tests, it's not 1-to-1. Don't get that wrong because you'll get dunked on, son. Don't freak out if you see a problem with log base A, get a number to the power A and you'll be A-okay.
This class has some personalities that are kinda odd, but they even out, except for Aaron. We're learning a lot, unless it's parametrics and describing how to. I hope when you grade, you'll take the absolute value.
Miss Ike in the house. We be getting those A's without a doubt. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine, doing calc while cruising the streets.
Take what you know and compound it continuously, and your knowledge will grow exponentially. Remember to put your calculator in radian mode, or you'll be stuck in an infinite asymptote.
The average rate of change comes in handy to find an acre speed falling from an oak tree, but sometimes instantaneous is better to use. And Tommy's thrown out when Ike's not amused.
We hate having to exchange trig identities as much as Nate hates when you change the boards. We've seen you wear so many kicks before, you probably own stock in Michael Kors.
Now buckle up, because we're deriving into chapter 3 in Miss Ike's magic CRV. We hope it can handle all of us in it, because we're blasting off and there are no limits.
How'd you think the video went?
I think it was pretty decent, not gonna lie. Like, we all worked well as a team, you know? Arizona can't open the door, but just the way she goes, right? I think we did pretty well, not gonna lie. I think we're gonna get 100.
Oh my God, Miss Ike! Miss Ike! It's you! Come here! Come here! Miss Ike! Miss Ike! How'd you think the video went?
Well, I mean, delegating props is not something you're born with, it's something you acquire. After years of mastery, you know, I'm an expert in the subject and the topic. Peace out.
Ike!